Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover B2B clients with LinkedIn step by step clearly. Begin by identifying your past clients on LinkedIn. Use the search bar to look for the company names or key contacts you previously worked with. Once you locate them, check if they are still active on the platform. Start by re-engaging with their content. Like, comment, or share posts that they have published recently. This will help you stay on their radar without being intrusive. Next, send personalized connection requests. Craft a message that references your previous relationship or project. Avoid generic templates, as personalization shows genuine interest. Once they accept your connection, take a moment to thank them for reconnecting. In your follow-up message, introduce any updates about your business. Share new services or successes that may benefit them. Ask open-ended questions to encourage dialogue. Be attentive to their responses and actively listen. Use their feedback to tailor your next messages. Gradually bring up potential collaborations or projects. Frame your ideas around how you can specifically address their current challenges. If appropriate, propose scheduling a virtual coffee chat. This allows for a more personal conversation. During the chat, focus on understanding their current needs. Share insights or suggestions that demonstrate your expertise. Afterward, follow up with a thank you message. Include a summary of the key points you discussed. Propose next steps if there's mutual interest. Stay consistent with your outreach. Regularly check in with them, sharing relevant content or industry insights. Highlight how your services can adapt to their evolving needs. Build trust by remaining available and supportive. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.